Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the hidden menu called Connectivity Labs to maximize or improve the battery life on your phone. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to access the Connectivity Labs, and to do that we need to open the settings on our phone, go to Connections, go to Wi-Fi, then tap on the More Options icon to open the additional menu. Here tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi, and if you don't see this option right here at the bottom of the screen, you need to tap on the Intelligent Wi-Fi multiple times until this option appears. And once Connectivity Labs appears, you can tap on it to enter this menu, and here we have it. And we can use this menu to improve the battery life on our phone in two ways. The first way is to analyze the data of usage, basically, and then change our habits on when the Wi-Fi is enabled and when it's disabled, or when to enable it and when to disable it. And another option is to change how often the phone scans for the nearby networks, basically, and we can do that in this menu as well. The first option, like I said before, check the weekly report from your data usage, or weekly report about your Wi-Fi usage, my bad. And here we have two graphs. We have connected and Wi-Fi on. And the Wi-Fi on is the white graph, and connected means that it's the blue graph. As you can see, they cover each other. And when you use the Wi-Fi the same amount of time you are connected to it, you will have this blue graph basically covering the white one. And when you have the Wi-Fi on but you're not connected to any network, you will have this white graph. And if you have a lot of days where you have this white graph showing you that you're using the network, but you're not really connected to anything, I recommend to basically go to Wi-Fi settings and disable the Wi-Fi and only enable it when you really use it. That will save you the battery life, because if the Wi-Fi is enabled, it will constantly scan for the nearby networks. Hence, it will use more battery life on your phone. So if you don't use Wi-Fi that often, or you just have it enabled and don't connect to any network, I recommend to disable it and then enable it when you need to connect to that Wi-Fi network and use the internet. So that's one of the options. The other option is to scroll down, tap on Wi-Fi developer options, and here look for the option called Change Scan Interval. And if you tap on it, you can change the interval for the scanning for the nearby networks. And we have often, which will use more battery life. We have default and rarely. So if you don't plan to change networks that often on your phone, or you prefer to scan them manually, you can check the rarely option. It will use the less battery life on your phone, because it will scan less often for the nearby networks on when the Wi-Fi is enabled. So if you don't use that option that much, I recommend to change it to rarely, and it will basically use the less battery life. Okay, and once you're done, you can close this menu by closing the settings, of course. And that's it. Hopefully that will let you improve the battery life on your phone. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.